Okay, Rowan. I still think that you need to have a sort of consistent color scheme going between all of these three elements, because those are the only three elements that the examiner's going to see. So I still feel like, I mean, you could say that it's an R&B magazine and a reggae magazine, but I don't know. It just looks a little bit mismatched, and I think maybe you need to incorporate some more of this red here to make it look a little bit consistent. Now, I'm going to start off by giving you feedback for your DPS. Don't have, like, you've got page numbers here. You don't have the page number. You don't have the slug. The slug relates to the editorial pillars over here. You don't have that. You don't have any pull quotes. You're trying to get the reader to read this. So you need to add a little bit of colour, add some pull quotes, break it down a little bit. You don't have any page numbers. Usually on the corner over here, you have the author and the photographer of the pictures. You don't have that either. So you need to really work on this. Now, your front cover, like, I kind of like this whole QR code, but it's actually kind of blurry, so I don't know what happened there. Also, if you look at the barcode here, usually the barcode, well, in fact, all magazines have like the pound, euros, dollars, how much a magazine is, and the website, and sometimes maybe issue number as well, usually. So that all needs to be incorporated there, and it needs to be made a lot smaller, and then you need to make sure that this is not blurry. It looks like you just copied and pasted it from somewhere, and it's just not looking that brilliant. You need to sort of work on the fonts as well. You might want to add a background in the back, at the back, to see how that works. But I think you need to sort of experiment with the fonts, add some more cover lines, and move these things up a little bit. I just need to look a little bit more exciting. Now, your contents page. Okay, fair enough. You've got like more editorial pillars now, which is great. I mean, would the article really be on page 1? Page numbers are usually better on the left because a reader wants to see straight away what page numbers these articles are going to be on. You've got the editor's note, you've got a few pictures, which is great. But again, I mean, if you look at the amount of articles that that Kerrang are covering in this one page, contents page, you don't seem to have that many. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, whereas Kerrang have got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They've got 19 articles, and then they've got these other page numbers for different pictures. So you need to sort of like make the contents page a little bit more professional. You need to maybe add some more articles, and then maybe move these pictures so they're part of other articles. I kind of like the layout. It looks different, and it is sort of looking a little bit, it looks a lot better than it was before, but it's still not professional enough to get a good grade. Okay, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow, because I've emailed you feedback on your blog, and you do need to be working on that as well, because it all needs to be handed in on Thursday.